The pandemic has taken a lot of people online, right? So it's not only about the large customers, enterprises. A lot of the smaller players are now selling online with the advent of e-commerce trend over the last 12 months. So solutions are being built for those specific customers. People have been focusing on tech more on from an operational excellence point of view, meant to improve your KPIs, SLAs, rather than building it as a core or a moat for yourself, right? That is something which is slowly changing. Similarly, I think the focus has been on building technology in-house rather than outsourcing it, utilizing various third-party solutions. That is also seeing some sort of a drift. And as more and more of these solutions are available through the SaaS model, right, that's also kind of making it easier because people can be flexible about it. They can do it sooner, quicker, without a lot of investment. So with a lot of support from the ecosystem and how the players themselves are evolving, I think we are in a good shape. In no way I would say handicapped if you compare it to that there is no innovation on the tech side that we have kind of completely overlooked or missed. I think we are a bit behind on the curve, and maybe that's where the investors are also seeing the opportunity, that this is where we're not handicapped behind the curve, so this is maybe the right time to take a leap, right? We see a lot of growth in a lot of such segments. Some of the interesting models that we've been seeing here is, and some of those have been mentioned in this discussion. For example, on demand marketplaces which are kind of organizing the fragmented supply. That's an interesting model, various companies being built around it. Similarly, logistics software platform for the SME customers specifically, right? Which is where Pankaj was mentioning, people are evolving. A lot of the pandemic has taken a lot of people online, right? So it's not only about the large customers, enterprises. A lot of the smaller players are now selling online with the advent of e-commerce trend over the last 12 months. So solutions are being built for those specific customers. Similarly, on the SaaS side, whether it's about route optimization or predictive planning, few companies around those models also are some which have piqued our interest.